Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. So, did we do this the last time? Well, we have solved this. Seems like we have to do this, right? Right. So it's a medium level problem. Lead code 481 magical string. A magical string S consists of only one and two, and obeys the following rules. Okay, it have two characters, one and two. The string is magical because the concatenating the number of contiguous occurrences of characters 1 and 2 generates the string as itself. The first few elements of S is okay. If we group the consecutive ones and twos in S, it will be 1, double 2, double 1, 2, 1, double 2, 1, double 2, double 1, 2, double 1, double 2, so on. And the concurrencies of ones or twos in each group are okay. 1, 2, wait a minute. 1, 2, 2, 1, 1, 2, 1, 2, 2, 1, 2, 2. Okay, it should represent the first and characters of the string. You can see that the occurrence sequence is as itself. Given an integer and return the number of ones in the first n numbers in the magical string. Wait a minute. Given an integer n, return the number of ones in the first n number of magical strings. Okay. Well, so one, two twos. Okay, we have to figure out a way to make this string. And wait a minute. And will be between 1 and 10 to the power of 5. That's a very huge number. We have to count. So the problem statement goes like this. S is a magical string because uh, it will have 1 and 2s only, and the sequence goes like this. We'll have 1 1 and two twos and two ones, 1 2 and 1 1. So actually we have to get the sequence same as this, and you can have 1 1 or 2 ones. Let's see the topics also. Seems like a tricky one. It's a simple 2 pointer one, guys. So the first thing is we'll have either 1 1 or 2 ones. We'll have either two ones, I mean two twos or 1 2. Let's keep initial 1, okay, 1 double 2 double 1, 1 2 2 1 2 1 1. After two twos, you should get one one or two ones. One. So one double one two one. Let's do one thing. Unit S one double one two one double two one double two double one, and unit sequence is one double one two one double two one two. Since this sequence should follow the same thing here, let's see. We have one one and two twos. For every digit here, we are gonna change it to one two. I mean alternate one twos. So for the first one, we'll take one one. Okay, for in if n is less than length of for in so so one two two one one two one 2, 2. 2 twos, 1 1, 1 2. Okay, let's keep a pointer, guys. P1 equals to so 2 twos. Unit 6. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. This is the this is one tricky thing, guys. So what are we trying to do is unit test will always be greater than initial sequence. So according to the condition, both should be same. So after this 2 2, we can add this one here. Since we have one here, we are gonna add 1 2 because here one it is, and we're gonna add 2 here, double 2 1 2 here, and since here 2 exists, we'll have 2 ones. So we're gonna increment it like that. Unit sequence will add P2 plus 1. and we're gonna keep it static. We had to add if I add one, initially add one will be false. Since it is add one, we are gonna add one into frequency. Let's try this. Yes. Oh. One, two. Okay, 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 okay. Fine. Fine. Yes. Oh, sorry. Oh, shit. Right. So here the length is one double two, one, two, three, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. This 14 so 1500. Okay, okay, okay. Sorry, guys. Okay, this is not gonna happen, guys. I know why it is a problem. Great. So it is working, guys. So let's try submitting it, and if it is working, then we shall discuss the intuition. But seeing this being done by me really made me glad, because I couldn't have done this. I couldn't have at least comprehended this before. But the margin is very little. Let's see, there is a seems like there is a counting issue. Okay, such a huge number. Let's see. Okay, this is the only problem that's being happened. So how do we solve this? Let's keep debugging. Pointers, I mean print statements. Mm, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So initial counting is fine. If we are reducing one, okay, 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 I got it, guys. I got the issue. So the problem is very simple. Let's see now. Okay, 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 okay. You have to do this here. Right. So let's submit it again and see how what happens. And later let's discuss the intuition, what is the mistake we have done and all. That's it guys. Seems like we have given a proper answer. So let's see what's happening here. We have taken the magic string as initial s from here and the corresponding initial sequence, and we have kept a pointer at this position, I mean at the ending of initial sequence and at the ending of initial s. If we have like we created a edge case where if n is less than the length of initial s, we are directly returning the count from here, we are counting it here, right? So it will be a static value, it will always be 7. And if n is less than 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 values, then we will be returning the corresponding length. If it is greater, we are taking minimum of the both. If n is greater than length of initial s, then length of initial s will be taken. If n is less than initial s, then n will be taken. And here we have kept 2 pointers, right? And it is static, we added it statically because it is ending with 1, right? So the next character should be 2. So we kept add 1 equals to false because it will add 2 later here. And we are adding so p2 is same until here. So later we have 1, so we are adding 1 to adding 1 here and adding 2 here later and 2 again later here, 1 and 1 and so on. And we are taking the number what we are adding as an integer. If we have to add 1, we have to add 1 and 2 alternatively, so we are updating add 1 to not add 1 here. It will change false to true, true to false alternatively. So here if it is add 1, I mean add 1 is true, then we are gonna add 1 to the s, and we are adding 1 into frequency, I mean 1 time or 2 times, and adding count here. So this is the case where if we have to add 1 time, but the frequency is 2. If we add 1 time, then it will be exceeding n, but the frequency is 2, then the count will become 2. So we're minusing 1 here, which will later be added here. Else we're adding 2 here. So here we don't need anything. We are adding here just for the gist of it, like to to hit the end point of the loop, and we are finally returning the count. Let's see the other submissions as well. Okay. So it's better if we do this as a list, and we don't even need to convert them. Double two. Guys, adding string is way more complex than adding values to the list. So it's better if we add list. Okay. Okay. Two, two, three, four, five, six, 7. So guys, seems like there is a there is something wrong happening here. And one, and two. One double two double two. I got it. Well, now it's working. Let's try submitting it again. If it works, fine. Let's see if it is optimized in any way. Accumulate, cumulative. We don't know what accumulate, cumulative. What is he trying to do? Well, nothing less than to the power of 10, sum of 5. Magic dot extend digit into frequency. Magic frequency equal to magic frequency of position. One double two. P1 seems like we are not using P1 at all. We can remove P1. Well, it is static, right? 1 0 1 2 3. Yeah, we removed almost. I mean, wait a minute. Right. Well, that's it, guys. We have removed almost every non-essential part of the entire code, uh, and I hope you guys understood the intuition. Let's see what he's doing here. 3 minus magic of minus 1. I think we don't even need this for loop, guys. No, let it be. Let's see the constraints first, and we'll be between 1 and 10 to the power 5. So that's not a problem. Points of magic, frequency, position, weak of magic, power of 10 to the power of 5. Guys, this is a useless calculation because we don't know whether or not we need to use 10 to the power of 5 every time. So that's it, guys. I hope you guys understood, and let's meet with another code. For now, goodbye, guys. Keep pushing hard, keep learning, and thank you. If you like the video, upvote it. If you feel someone it is necessary for someone, share it to your friends or family members. And if you have any doubt, ask me in the chat section, guys. Thank you and goodbye, guys.